Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the useful phrases for Ielts general training formal letters. So let's start. So basically we are going to discuss about the letter useful expressions for formal letter. Before that, we must know that formal letters are those which are written to officials, government authorities or to a higher position like universities, colleges. So what are the useful expressions for formal letter in Ielts writing? There are different types of formal letter. So today we are discussing the request. In the request case, we will discuss the opener and the closer. Opener is the purpose. I am writing to request, or instead of this you can also write I was wondering if. The third one is I am writing to inquire. So in general training there are different ways to write a letter, and if it is a request letter, so we will write I am writing to request, or instead of this you can write I was wondering if. I am writing to inquire. Make sure you write E here because in the British English it's E, for American it's I. So now let's start with the closer, how to end the formal letter when it's a request letter. So ending it, so you can close your request letter by waiting for a prompt response. The second one is looking forward to hearing from you soon. Or you can also write I look forward to hear from you soon. The last one is thank you for your attention to this matter. Let's revise the opening for the request letter. So in the starting we have to write the purpose. I am writing to, the purpose here is of request, to request, or you can also write I was wondering if you, or very simple, that is I am writing to inquire about. Inquire means to ask or to request. So let's revise. The openings are I am writing to request, or instead of request you can also write I am writing to inquire about, or I was wondering if you. The closing for the request letter in the ending, like for the ending, before the ending you have to write waiting for a prompt response, looking forward to hearing from you soon, or I look forward to hear from you soon. Next is thank you for your attention to this matter. So if the letter is of permission, if it is a permission based letter, so the opening for the permission is I am writing to request your permission, or you can write I am writing to take your approval for, or the last one is I am writing this letter to seek your permission. Make sure you write double E, seek your permission. So for closing this permission letter, what are the closers? The first one is thank you for considering this matter, or you can also write thank you for your consideration to this matter, or the very simple one is thanking you in advance for the approval. So as it is a permission based letter, so the opener will be I am writing to request your permission, I am writing to take your approval. For approval means that if they will say yes or not, and then it's I am writing this letter to seek your permission. So in the end, before you end your letter, you can use these lines, thank you for considering this matter. The next one is thank you for your consideration to this matter. The last one is thanking you in advance for the approval. So now the last one today that we are going to discuss is about if it is a complaint letter. Okay, so the last one is complaint letter, and the opener and the closer for the complaint letters are if you are writing to complain. So it's very simple. The first one you can use I am writing to complain about. When we are complaining, it means we are not satisfied with the thing. So we also can use I am writing to express my disappointment with or regarding. You can use with, you can also use regarding. The last way to write the opener for a complaint letter is I am writing to express my concern towards. So now let's talk about the closer. So closing the letter will be I look forward to a quick resolution of this matter, waiting for a positive response. And the last one is thanking you. So let's revise. When it's a complaint letter, the openers are I am writing to complain about, I am writing to express my disappointment or dissatisfaction, we can also write. And the last one is I am writing to express my concern towards. For closing this letter, we will use I look forward to a quick resolution of this matter, like you want this matter to solve quickly. Second one is waiting for a positive response. Last one is thanking you for your attention to this matter. Thank you everyone, and I hope you will find this video useful, and tomorrow don't miss the video for the structure of the Ielts letter.